Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to connect Cash App to Earnin. So first thing you're gonna do is just ensure compatibility. You have to check your bank account. Earnin connects to bank accounts to track your earnings. So you just have to ensure that your Cash App account is linked to a bank account. Now, if you use a Cash App card, it must support ACH transfers for Earnin to recognize it. You can also verify direct deposit setup. To use Earnin, your paycheck should be deposited in your Cash App account via direct deposit. Step 2 is to download the Earnin application. To do that, just go to App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android. It looks something like this. And then just search for Earnin and download the application. Open the application and create an account if you don't already have one. And then step number 3 is to link your bank account. So during setup, Earnin will ask you to connect your bank account. So you just have to select Cash App or the bank account linked to your Cash App. From the list of supported banks, if Cash App doesn't appear, you may need to manually enter your routing and account numbers. So just enter your Cash App routing number and account number. To do that, just open Cash App, go to your banking tab, the building icon, and then just tap on direct deposit to find the routing and account numbers. And lastly is to set up and verify. Earnin will verify your account by monitoring your direct deposits and work hours. You may need to provide additional information like your pay schedule, employer details, and once verified, you can start using Earnin to cash out small amounts of your paycheck. And that's it. That's how you connect Cash App to Earnin. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!